few questions just
Okay.
for a feedback. Okay, thank you for your moment first of all. So before coming into Millennials Group,
Yeah.
what was your biggest fear or confusion about trading?
So basically, I'm a student, and managing my studies and managing my interest towards making money is a different path. So I had a basic interest in stock market as a passive income. So I had some basic knowledge about it, but I was having a lot of fear to invest my money here because being a student, no passive income, and I have to fetch money from my parents. So I had a lot of fear whether it works or what if it loss or something. But after coming to this platform, I gained some confidence like this is how it works. I got some base that how I can put my theory into practical. So thanks to Millennials
Okay,
Group.
great. What is that one thing that you never understood before, but now you're clear about it?
The one thing which I did not understand before, see, we have a capital amount and exactly where you have to invest, at what time you have to take the entry, and at what time you have to exit from the trading system or the market. I was having a bit confusion and I was not sure on that. But after attending the SIRS class, how to put all your theory into practical, that entry and exit, that quick, that flexibility is very much required. And yes, the techniques and everything, I'm confident on that.
Okay, that's great. So how confident are you compared to before in trading right now?
In my confidence comes from practice.
Yeah.
And right now I'm here working on my theory, and sir is helping us to improve our flexibility in practical. So after attending this 3 days workshop, I am probably comfortable confidence at 90%. So
Okay.
in 10 that 10% I have to work on my emotional level, on my understanding level, all those statistics works. But the confidence that I can do is obviously it's 100%, and I'm going to achieve it.
So someone new,
Okay.
just like you, a beginner, why should they start this program? What would be your feedback?
So my feedback, why Millennials Group or why stock marketing, is money is not everything, but it is required for everything. So being a student or being anyone who is in any different platform, this would help them far better to have some passive income even they are sleeping or doing nothing. Just having this practical knowledge and investing their money in the right platform help them to create the proper wealth. So I would recommend people to get into this platform, make money, and deserve your desires through investing your money at right platform. Where I would recommend that right platform is this Millennials Group. And yes,
Okay. So thank you so much. Happy trading. Yeah.
thank you, ma'am.
Thank you for your feedback.
Thank you.